So guys, you need to have some marketing strategies for you to survive in this industry. One of the marketing strategies you can have is just having this job card, guys. Just having this job card, guys. Like this is my job card. Mimi I'm a welder, si mnajua. Mi naendanga kwa ma sites hivyo. Each and every morning I must go to the sites, the bigger sites, and I make my shots there. And guys, kulingana venye ni uchocha mabos, kulingana venye ni, and then nawachia kaka job card. Most of the jobs huwa zinakuja. So guys, this is one of the tool that can make you rich. Go to your cyber, make your job card, tengeneza like 100, go to the sites, and then ukienda to the sites, make sure umeenda to the sites, leave it with the boss, you never know umeachia nani na utajuji ataachia nani, and you will make a brand out of this apron, you will make a brand out of this job card, you will make a brand, you will have more clients, and they will say you are organized. And guys, the next strategy you can use, it is being the fastest in your area. Wacha job isikuji hapo inachapa wiki, inachapa mwezi, inachapa mwaka, hakuna kitu kama hiyo. Wacha hebu kuwa na wafanyakazi wengi. Like tufanye a good example. Tuseme umepewa milango kama mbao and the client amekupea shortest time possible na halipi kulingana na pesa zako, kulingana na venye unahitaji, is paying less. So what will you do? You will go and get like 3 fundis, utawalipa 1000 per door, and then kila fundi atakutengenezea milango mbili. Those are 6 doors you can make in a day. You see, 6 doors, 40 if you are making each door at 1000 shillings profit. So at that day you'd get 6000 within 12 hours. Na utakuwa na watu wenye wamekula like 2000 na wewe umekula 6000. So sooner get, you need to be the fastest and work smart. So guys, for the next episode, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to this video. Welcome and thank you for your support.